Question 13. Here is a list of ingredients for making 10 scones. Mia wants to make 25 scones. Work out how much sugar she needs. So this list makes 10 scones. If I was to divide all of these values by 2, that would be the ingredients for 5 scones. So 5 scones dividing by 2, just looking at sugar, it's only sugar that we're looking at for this question. So dividing by 2, that would be 20 grams of sugar. Now if I was to double the entire list, that would make 20 scones. So looking at sugar, multiplying by 2, that would be 80 grams. 20 plus 5, that's 25. So 80 plus 20, that's 100 grams. Work out how much sugar Mia needs to make 25 scones. That's 100 grams. For 2 marks for question 13.